Hello everyone, this is Daniel and welcome back to uGenesys. And in this video, I want to introduce you to the world's first currency strength indicator, which is powered by artificial intelligence. So let me give you a quick breakdown of today's video. So first I'm going to show you the key features of this indicator, and then I'm just going to let you know of a few things to keep in mind when using this indicator, okay? And this indicator is also known as a currency strength meter and is particularly useful for beginners. It offers numerous functions that help traders identify the best trades because with 28 different currency pairs to choose from, beginners often struggle with selecting the most suitable pairs to trade. However, a currency strength meter helps by identifying currently trending currency pairs, and in the Forex market, most profits are generated when a pair is trending, okay? And also, consolidation is not a profitable situation in the Forex market. And consolidation occurs when a particular currency pair moves sideways with no clear direction for future movement. So let me provide you with an example of a consolidating currency pair for you all. So we'll take a look at the GBP USD. So if you look right here, guys, on this chart, you can see the candles just going down, up, down. You see that movement there? So you can't really identify if it has a clear uptrend or downtrend, okay? So there's no real upward or downward momentum. And this type of market condition can cause confusion and guessing among traders, leading to losses. And consolidation is a phase in which many traders lose money in the Forex market. Therefore, it is essential to have a thorough understanding of the market conditions before making any trades. And so, if you use a currency strength meter, you can easily determine the strength and weakness of currency pairs. For instance, in the current example, we can see that the Swiss right here is the strongest currency, and also New Zealand NZD is the weakest currency, okay? And so it's recommended to trade this particular currency pair. And so the currency strength meter shows the strongest to the weakest currencies, ranking them with corresponding numbers. And so you can see starting up here, the strongest currency is the Swiss, ranked at number 1, followed by CAD, number 2, and you can see all the way down here, different numbers. And the weakest one now is the NZD at number 8, okay? And so you can see that you can quickly identify the strongest and weakest currencies using a currency strength meter. But there's more to it, guys. Although we could have provided you with the currency strength meter and just let you figure out the best currencies to trade on your own, we decided to take it a step further, and we developed a unique and proprietary algorithm that employs machine learning. And so this right here is the neural network, and it's currently active and processing data to determine the best currency pairs to trade, and it calculates various data points from the past week, current week, and also last month, and the algorithm assigns values of 1, 2, 3, and 4 to the recommended currency pairs. And so right here you can see it recommends NZD Swiss, NZD CAD, Euro NZD, and Swiss JPY, okay? And so by clicking on any one of these pairs, it will pull up that chart for you. So let's go ahead and click on the NZD Swiss. And here you see we have that chart, and let me just change the time frame. And so just by looking at our chart here, we can definitely see that we are in a downtrend. It's obvious that we are in a downtrend based on the movement of the market here. And so at this point, all you need to do now is to decide where you want to enter the market, okay? Because with the specific currency pair, the NZD Swiss, already identified for you, we've made the trading decision a bit easier on your part, okay? And so now let me just demonstrate a crucial feature that requires your attention. So the time frame is a significant factor, and I want to share the time frames that I use to obtain the data, okay? And so while the currency strength meter can extract from any time frame, for optimal and precise results, I recommend using the daily, weekly, or monthly time frames, okay? So these are the recommended settings for achieving the best results. So what I want you to do is to go ahead and right click here and select the indicator list, and let's just select our currency strength meter and hit edit. And here you can see the section where the time frame is. So it's currently on the monthly time frame, but you could also use the drop down here and select any of these here, the 1 day, 1 week, or 1 month time frame. Alright, these are the best time frames for optimal results. And the second important thing to keep in mind is that different Forex brokers use different symbols and letters along with their currency pairs. Some brokers may use a prefix or a suffix like the letter I, and therefore it's essential for our algorithm to know these prefixes and suffixes used by your broker so that it can recognize these currency pairs in the system. So be sure to fill in these sections accordingly, okay? And so in my example here, I'm using the broker called Traders Way, and they have the suffix, the letter I for each currency pair. So you can see right here for the pair suffix I, input I right there, okay? However, if your broker does not have any prefix or suffix, you can leave these sections blank, okay? And so the next significant setting is the alert feature. So you have the option to receive an alert when a currency pair becomes the top ranked pair to trade, which is denoted by the number 1 here. And so once a currency pair moves to the top spot, you'll receive a notification on your trading platform that that particular currency pair is currently the best pair to trade, alright? And so this alert can be configured to reach your phone or any other device of your choice, okay? And so this currency strength meter has just been a game changer for us, guys. And take a look right now on your screen and you can see that by using this indicator in some of our recent trades, we were able to make a daily profit of $640.48, guys. It's just amazing. So our currency strength meter is a valuable tool that resolves many trading problems for traders. And one of the main issues it solves is determining which currency pair to trade. While some traders prefer to stick to a single pair, it can become dull and unproductive when the pair becomes stagnant. As a result, traders may become impatient and attempt to force trades, which is not recommended. So instead, it's best to find a currency pair that is currently trending and find a suitable entry point. And so our currency strength indicator performs 2 tasks. It identifies the strongest and weakest currencies and also calculates the best currency pairs to trade using our neural network's comprehensive data analysis. And so there you have it, guys. That's an introduction to our super amazing currency strength indicator. So to get this indicator, you can click on the link in the description, okay? And thanks for watching our video. Please remember to like, subscribe, share with your friends, and comment down below and let us know what you think. And goodbye for now.